G'day guys. All right, today is our second lesson on univariate data. It's exercise 2B, displaying and describing categorical data distributions. An extremely complicated sounding title for an extremely easy exercise. We're basically looking at the simplest ways that we have to display categorical data, okay? And really, that's just frequency tables and then graphs of the data that is contained within frequency tables, which we call bar graphs down the bottom there. So I think we'll just dive straight into the example. This is stuff that you've done before, I mean in year 8 really. So let's just dive into an example, and this should be enough to give you a head start for the exercise. All right, so 30 children chose a sandwich, salad, or pie for lunch. And here are the results. So there's just 30 words written down. Salad, sandwich, or pie was the choice. So as you can see, starting here, sandwich, salad, salad, pie, sandwich, salad, 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 pie, 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 blah, 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 blah. 30 different words, okay? All right. So here is our frequency table. Now, on the leftmost column, we put our categories. So sandwich, salad, and pie. They're the only 3 options. So that has the column heading lunch choice. Next to that, we have the column heading frequency. That means how often each one of those words appeared in the above list. So 7 people chose sandwich, 10 people chose salad, boring, and 13 people chose pie. And then it's important that down the bottom we write the total, okay, which is 30 people altogether, 13 plus 10 plus 7. All right, so that's enough information to now do a bar chart. You would have these categorical variables along your horizontal axis, and you would have frequency on your vertical axis, and these would be the heights to which your bars went for the corresponding food items. But this is general, so we're going to take things one step further and add an additional column, a percentage frequency column. All right, so that will be the frequency as a percentage of the total number of choices that were made. So, for example, in the case of sandwich, okay, we want to know what 7 is as a percentage of 30 people, because it was 7 out of 30 people that went for sandwich. So you do 7 divided by 30, multiplied by 100, and you get the percent. 23.33% of people chose sandwich. And then for salad, we had 10 people. So 10 divided by the total number of people, 30, times 100. 33.33% of people went for salad. And you do the same process for pie. Okay, and then if you've done things correctly, you've done your calculations correctly, when you add these 3 together, you should get 100%. Now I got 99.99%, but that's of course because I did a little bit of rounding off. My percentages were actually 23.3333 recurring, and 33.3 recurring, and 43.3 recurring. So that's still 100% accurate. Okay, time for a bar chart. Okay, so here we go. So here we have 2 bar charts, and as it says here, bar charts offer a more visual way of representing the same information contained in a frequency table. All right, we've seen a lot of bar charts lately with all this coronavirus business. Bar graphs all over the place. Okay, so the example it says is to construct a bar chart and a percentage bar chart, 2 different types, based on the data displayed in the problem that we just dealt with, the sandwich, salad, pie problem, okay? So for a regular bar chart, the one on the left here, we have frequency as our vertical axis variable, our dependent or our response variable, and our explanatory or independent variable goes down here, okay, which is lunch choice. And these were the three options. Now, with a bar chart of this nature, you have a gap of equal sort of width in between the bars, and you have a gap, typically half the width of that gap here. All right, and of course the height of each bar goes to the number of people that opted for that particular type of food on the vertical axis. So we can see 13 people went for a pie. We can see that 10 people went for a salad. And we can see that, what's that, 7? Let me check. Yep, 7 people went for a sandwich. And exactly the same idea over here, except instead of frequency here, we have percentage, or percentage frequency you might sometimes see. But the horizontal axis is the same. Lunch choice with your 3 choices, except this time the graphs go up to the correct percentage. So what was it? 43.33% of people wanted pie. 33.33% of people wanted salad, and 23.33% of people wanted a sandwich. Easy stuff, guys. That's more than enough to get you started on the exercise. Good luck. Email me if you need help, and I'll see you next time.